Hello everyone. Are you ready to simplify your data analytics with Outlier AI? In today's video, I will walk you through the steps to set up your account so you can get started with powerful insights in no time. So, let's dive in. First, open your web browser and head to the official Outlier AI website. Click on the Get Started or Sign Up button to begin the registration process. This will take you to the account creation page. Now fill in the required details, including your name, email, and a secure password. You might also have the option to sign up using your Google or Microsoft account for quicker setup. Now double check your details and click register. Next, Outlier AI will send a verification email to the address you provided. Open your inbox, locate the email, and click on the verification link. If you don't see it right away, check your spam or junk folders. Now, once your email is verified, you will be prompted to select a plan. Outlier AI typically offers a free trial or a basic plan for new users. Now, if you need advanced features, consider upgrading to a paid plan. After logging in, take a moment to set up your dashboard. Add widgets, connect any data sources like Google Analytics or Salesforce, and configure the metrics you want to monitor. This step ensures your dashboard is tailored to your needs. Congratulations! Your Outlier AI account is now set up and ready to go. Start exploring the features and let us know in the comments what you think. Now, if you found this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe.